What is up, guys? What is up, guys? Welcome back to our channel. This is day 5 of trading, and today's trade was an L. And I'm going to explain everything why I took that trade in the first place, bit by bit. I'm going to show you everything here on the channel. And before I go into the trade recap, we just hit 30 subscribers. I really do appreciate you guys for following up on my content. I really do appreciate it, and I really like it, and I hope you guys can continue showing me the love and support you are giving me throughout this journey, this trading journey of mine. And I really hope to see more. I really hope to gain more subscribers in the long run, because I'm really interested into content creation, and I really want to make it work out. So today's trade, I think I changed a few things in my strategy, and I have reasons why I changed those things. One of the reasons was one of the things that I changed in the strategy was the entry placement. Before this trade, I was putting my entries. I was putting my entries on the third candle of the fair value gap that forms to confirm that my confirmation entry after the market structure shift. I was putting my entry on the high or low of the last candle of the fair value gap sequence, and I realized that while using that, I'm risking very many pips compared to this one, where I just put the entry at the fair value gap. And another example is this very trade, because this very trade, I think I was risking around like 4 pips, which is not the usual pips that I risk on my trades. My trades are usually, the pips on other trades are usually larger, like 6 pips, 10 pips, 16 pips. They are very large, and I wanted to find I always wanted to change my entry model, and I found a way how to change it, and I have backtested it a bit, and I'm going to show you guys in a few. I have backtested it a bit, and I really hope that I really know that it's going to work out. And the other reason why I changed it from the other entry model to this one, it's because this entry model gives me, how can I say it? It gives me a high risk to reward ratio, because I am risking very small pips, hence giving me a very high risk to reward ratio, and I really like it, and I really hope that this new entry model works out, and I really hope that it does, because those are two main reasons. I just wanted to start catching very high RR trades compared to the ones that I was taking before, because those ones were very small RR. Because of the huge stop loss, I couldn't place very high risk to reward trades using that entry model. So yeah, that is it. So I think let's head into the trade recap, so that I can show you everything bit by bit. So this is the hourly time frame, and these days a trade London session. So a London session, price took out this previous swing high on the hourly time frame. So after price taking out that high, I waited for the candle which took out that high to close, and after that close, I dropped down to the 1 minute time frame and looked for the entry confirmation on the 1 minute, the bearish entry confirmation, and I got it, and I got the entry confirmation. But today's trade was meant to be an L. It is what it is. So then I dropped down to the 1 minute time frame, and the entry model was right here. This market structure shift, the fair value gap, that was L. the fair value gap that was left behind. I placed my entry right here and the stop loss above these highs. Then I got stopped out again early by spreads, but at least it was already a loss. But yeah, spreads are really crazy these days in forex pairs. So I placed my order right here. Price tagged me in, first dropped down a bit, then it reversed to the upside, still hitting my stop loss. So for this trade, my risk reward was not very high because this is a 1 hour fair value gap, and I would have extended it to something like 1 to 3 or 1 to 2 if I was using partial profits. But for this trade, I was not using partial profits, and I did not want to risk anything because I want to grow. At the end of the day, I want to grow. I don't want to see small progress. Those small progress is sometimes good, but for these trades, I just wanted to get a quick trade, a very quick trade. I just wanted to get a very quick trade. I didn't get it today, but hopefully next time I will be able to get it. Yeah, this is the trade recap. Thank you guys for watching everything. I really do appreciate you guys for helping me hit that 30 subscriber goal that I was aiming for in these couple of months, and I really do appreciate you guys for being there for me. The motivation you give me, guys, everything, I really do appreciate it, and I hope we grow more. I hope we grow more together, financially, physically, and mentally. So yeah, that is it. Thank you guys for watching this video. I will leave the live execution of the trade at the end of the video. So as usual, for now, peace.